Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving deeply into a very important topic, magnesium and its impact on your health. Magnesium is an essential mineral with countless benefits, yet many people don't get enough of it in their daily diets. So come on and join us as we get into exploring the roles magnesium plays in your health, the different types of magnesium, and the first sign of magnesium deficiency. The importance of magnesium for human health. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for human health, as it is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. These reactions include energy production, protein synthesis, muscle function, and neurotransmitter regulation. Magnesium also plays a key role in maintaining healthy bones and teeth and supporting cardiovascular health. The different types of magnesium and their effects. Magnesium comes in various forms, each with its unique properties and effects on the body. Some common types of magnesium supplements include magnesium citrate, known for its laxative effect and high bioavailability. Magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach, often used for relaxation and sleep improvement. Magnesium oxide, less bioavailable but can be used for digestive issues. Magnesium malate, helpful for muscle relaxation and energy production. Magnesium taurate, known for its potential heart health benefits. The benefits of magnesium. Magnesium offers a plethora of health benefits, including muscle and nerve function. Magnesium helps relax muscles and regulate nerve signals. Energy production. Magnesium is a key player in the production of ATP, the energy currency of the body. Bone health. Magnesium is essential for bone formation and the regulation of calcium and vitamin D levels. Cardiovascular health. Magnesium supports a healthy heart rhythm and blood pressure regulation. Stress reduction. Magnesium has calming effects and may help manage anxiety and stress. Sleep quality. Magnesium promotes relaxation and may improve sleep quality. Now let's learn about the daily magnesium intake. The recommended daily intake of magnesium varies depending on age and gender. Adult men generally need around 400 to 420 mg per day, while adult women need around 310 to 320 mg or up to 400 mg per day. It's essential to get an adequate intake of magnesium through diet and, if necessary, supplements. Magnesium side effects. There can be side effects associated with magnesium supplementation or excessive magnesium intake, particularly when the amount consumed exceeds the recommended daily intake. These side effects can vary depending on the individual's health and the form and dosage of magnesium being taken. Here are some possible side effects of magnesium. Side effect number 1. Digestive issues. The most common side effects of magnesium supplementation are digestive, including diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal cramping. These are often the result of high doses of magnesium, especially in supplement form. Side effect number 2. Electrolyte imbalances. High doses of magnesium can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes in the body, affecting levels of other important minerals such as calcium and potassium. Side effect number 3. Hypotension. Magnesium can help relax blood vessels, but excessive amounts can lead to low blood pressure, also known as hypotension, which may be problematic for individuals with existing blood pressure issues. Side effect number 4. Respiratory problems. In rare cases, very high levels of magnesium can lead to difficulty breathing. Side effect number 5. Cardiac issues. Excessive magnesium can cause cardiac arrhythmias or disturbances in the heart rhythm. This is particularly concerning for individuals with pre-existing heart conditions. Side effect number 6. Central nervous system effects. In very high doses, magnesium can cause central nervous system depression, which may lead to symptoms such as confusion, drowsiness, or even coma in severe cases. Side effect number 7. Kidney problems. Magnesium is excreted primarily through the kidneys, and individuals with kidney disease or impaired kidney function may be at risk for magnesium toxicity if they consume excessive amounts. Side effect number 8. Interactions with medications. Magnesium supplements may interact with certain medications, such as antibiotics, diuretics, and blood pressure medications. These interactions can reduce the effectiveness of the medications or exacerbate side effects. Foods with high magnesium concentration. A variety of whole foods contain high levels of magnesium, including leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds such as almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, whole grains like quinoa, legumes such as black beans and lentils, bananas and avocados. Magnesium has amazing effects when it comes to blood sugar control. Magnesium plays a crucial role in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Adequate magnesium levels can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Magnesium and blood pressure. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. Magnesium and stress. Magnesium has calming effects on the nervous system and may help manage stress and anxiety. It supports the production of neurotransmitters that promote relaxation, such as serotonin. Magnesium and sleep quality. Magnesium can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. It helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle and may enhance the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. The first sign of magnesium deficiency. The first sign of magnesium deficiency is often muscle cramps or spasms, especially in the legs and feet. This occurs because magnesium plays a vital role in muscle relaxation and proper nerve function. Most common signs and symptoms of magnesium deficiency. In addition to muscle cramps, other common signs and symptoms of magnesium deficiency include fatigue and weakness. Low magnesium levels can lead to reduced energy production and muscle weakness. Nausea and vomiting. Digestive issues may arise when magnesium levels are low. Loss of appetite. Magnesium deficiency can lead to decreased appetite and potential weight loss. Numbness and tingling. Neurological symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or even tremors may occur. Abnormal heart rhythms. Magnesium deficiency can affect the heart's electrical activity, leading to arrhythmias. Mood changes. Low magnesium levels can impact mood and mental health, leading to anxiety or depression. Osteoporosis. Chronic magnesium deficiency can contribute to bone loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis. If you suspect you have a magnesium deficiency, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in human health, participating in over 300 enzymatic reactions throughout the body. Its influence spans across various systems, including the musculoskeletal, cardiovascular, and nervous systems. Magnesium offers numerous health benefits such as muscle and nerve function. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation and proper nerve signaling, which helps prevent cramps and spasms. Energy production. It supports the production of ATP, the body's primary source of energy. Bone health. Magnesium helps in the formation of bones and regulates calcium and vitamin D levels. Cardiovascular health. Magnesium aids in blood vessel relaxation, supporting healthy blood pressure and heart rhythms. Stress reduction. It has calming effects on the nervous system and may help manage anxiety and stress. Sleep quality. Magnesium promotes relaxation, supporting improved sleep quality and melatonin production. Daily magnesium intake and food sources. The daily magnesium recommended intake is at 400 to 420 mg for adult men and 310 to 320 mg or even up to 400 mg for adult women. Ensuring an adequate intake is important, and foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, whole grains like quinoa, legumes including black beans and lentils, fruits such as bananas and avocados. Magnesium plays a key role in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Maintaining healthy magnesium levels can help regulate blood sugar and potentially reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Also, by supporting blood vessel relaxation, magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and promotes overall cardiovascular health. Magnesium's calming effects on the nervous system may assist in managing stress and anxiety. It supports the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which promote relaxation. Magnesium enhances sleep quality by aiding relaxation and potentially increasing melatonin production. This can help improve sleep-wake cycles and alleviate insomnia. The first sign of magnesium deficiency are muscle cramps or spasms, particularly in the legs and feet, are often the first signs of magnesium deficiency. This is because magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation and nerve function. Other common signs and symptoms of magnesium deficiency. In addition to muscle cramps, some common signs of magnesium deficiency include fatigue and weakness. Low magnesium levels may lead to reduced energy production and muscle weakness, nausea and vomiting. Digestive issues may arise as a result of magnesium deficiency. Loss of appetite. Reduced appetite and potential weight loss can occur. Numbness and tingling. Neurological symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or tremors may be present. Abnormal heart rhythms. Magnesium deficiency can affect the heart's electrical activity, leading to arrhythmias, mood changes. Low magnesium levels may impact mood and mental health, resulting in anxiety or depression. Osteoporosis. Chronic magnesium deficiency can contribute to bone loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis. If you suspect a magnesium deficiency, it's essential to consult your head healthcare professional to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Magnesium is a key nutrient for maintaining optimal health, so make sure to include magnesium-rich foods in your diet or consult with your healthcare provider about supplementation if necessary. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.